when you come here, it helps you really learn that God comes first, and that life's not just about, oh, choose this or this, but it's choose Him. And coming here, you will learn that, and you'll be able to really use that in every decision you make in life. If you were with God, He's gonna provide, He's gonna help you. I don't know, you just you learn that from like being here. It's really like He'll speak to you being here. It's not just about the speech. Like every speech has its own way, but He'll have certain things that stick out to you.
Again!